Hello friends, Vinay here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix Microsoft Edge version 105 in stable channel won't start after last update. So after updating Edge browser to version 105, when you try to launch Edge browser, you can see it won't start. And if you made up to this video, then definitely you are facing the same issue. So basically it's a known bug, and Microsoft Edge team is already aware of it, and the solution to fix this issue will be released next week. In the meantime, there is a registry hack or solution using which you can fix this issue temporarily. So let's learn how to fix it. So first of all, you need to click on this search icon available on the taskbar. Then you need to type Regedit. When Registry Editor appear in the search results, click to open it. When USE dialog box appear, click yes to continue. In the Registry Editor, you need to copy paste this address. I have already added it in the description. Now under Edge key, you need to delete this key named as MetricsReportingEnabled. Now after that, you need to delete another key, local machine, software, policy, Microsoft Edge. Now you need to delete this Matrix reporting enabled key from here as well. Right click, delete, yes. After that you can close Registry Editor, and now if you try to launch Edge browser, you can see that it's working. So that's it guys. I hope the solution mentioned in this video help in fixing the Microsoft Edge issue, and if it really helps, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.